How to randomise a list in Excel. We've got a list here of ice cream flavours and we want to randomise them. So I'm going to highlight the list and press copy and then move over to Excel and put a title in. So we'll put ice cream list at the top here, and then we're going to right click and choose the paste option, match destination formatting. And then we can make the cells wide enough to show all the text here. And then in the row next to the list, we're going to put another title. We'll call this randomise. And then we're going to put a filter on these top two titles like this. And then in the first empty cell next to the first ice cream flavour, we're going to type in equals RAND, open brackets, close brackets, and press enter. And then move your mouse to the bottom right of that cell so it turns into a cross, and double click, which will drag the formula to the bottom. And then go to the filter at the top on the randomised title and click sort smallest to largest, and that has randomised your list for you. Now we can move them back by highlighting the list again, right click and choose copy, and then go back to your original list, right click and choose keep text only. And there you go.